Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this electronic trainer collar for dogs. The model type is DT510 and it's a very advanced collar. It has so many functions. I would say this thing is absolutely top notch. We have 99 intensity level. We have a very long wireless range for up to 1100 yards. If you have free connection, there's nothing in between. We have even an IPX7 rating, which makes it pretty much waterproof for the dog, but of course not for the remote control. We have a long battery life and it's even rechargeable. Not only the remote control, but also for the collar. We have LED light and we have multi-channel, so we can train up to 2 dogs. And we have 3 different functions built in. We have the vibration, we have the shock, and we have the audible alarm. And you can see the different sets either for 1 dog or for 2 dogs. And some more detailed specs here in the back. But let's open the box and see what we get. Yeah, really beautiful control device. Comes also nicely protected. Comes with the quick starting guide. Here's some basic description of what you can do and some more instructions here in the back. Then the full functions here described in the instructions manual. I hope you can see everything here nicely. Really detailed instructions, what you can do, how you can solve any issues. And so that's the dog's collar. Looks very robust. Of course, that's needed. Very strong strap here. Also adjustable in the length, as you can see. Comes with this quick snap closing mechanism. And so we can easily adjust the length. You can see we can make it smaller or we can make it larger here as well. So you can see how long this is, would definitely fit even for the largest dogs. And so here we have the different accessories, charging cable and also replacement strap in a different color. The charging cable is a 2-in-1 with a standard USB-A, which is very convenient, so you can use it even on a power bank out in the field. And it comes with the USB-C here for the remote control, so you plug it in here. And this magnetic charger is for the dog collar, so it nicely aligns, so we know from which side we have to attach it. So we can plug it in, give it a full charge. So you can see this one here, when we attach it, goes into red blinking while charging, and when it's fully charged goes into steady green. And also on the transmitter you can see the charge here. If it has a low charge at the beginning, just give it some time to fully charge. And during the charging process, of course, we can already assemble it. So we use 2 of these pins. You can see that we have 2 different sizes. These 2 for smaller dogs or dogs with shorter hair, these for longer hair. So the only thing which you really have to prepare is to screw this in here. Very easy, no screwdriver needed. You can do this anywhere. And then of course we want to test it before we are using it. Here on the right side we have the different channels, so we can use either A or B or both at the same time. By the way, we have also a lock here. When we press for 2 seconds, you can see it goes into lock. We can long press again, goes out of the lock. So this can prevent of applying accidental shock. And then we can set up the level for the vibration and the shock. The vibration is here, which is representing this button here. So we have to press here on the side, and then we can adjust the intensity with this knob here. And also we can change the intensity for the shock. We press here on the right side, and at the same time we adjust the strengths here. So you can see the different strengths here all the time. That's also very convenient. So we have a lot of information up here. My only complaint here for the whole product, for everything, is that the order of these buttons do not match these buttons. So we have the shock here on top, while we have the shock down here, and the vibration is here at the bottom, while we have the vibration here on the top. I would say that's my only complaint. And so to turn on the collar, we have to push just once short here with the on-off button. You can see it turns on, but the light turns off. If you want to keep the light flashing, you can press here on this side. You can see goes into some kind of breathing mode. If you don't want to have this light, you can turn it off with short push, but the collar will keep working. If you want to finally turn it off, you have to just push once. You hear the beeping twice and then it will be turned off. So you can't do anything here. So we push again to turn it on. We hear the beeping just once. And now we can use the audible alert from here. As far as I know, there is no adjustment possible. The adjustment is just possible for the vibration and the shock. But we can definitely hear that. And now we can emit the vibration. Yeah, pretty strong vibration, but of course you can adjust that here. And we also have the shock here. Of course, it's just showing red. We can't see anything. If we want to see something, we can test it with this device here. So we put it down, put the light on top. We push this button. You can see the red. It's definitely working. So everything looking really good. I would say very solid build, reliable device, easy to use. You don't have to read in instructions for hours. Works after trying for a couple of minutes. Very easy to remember all the functions. So from here everything looking really good. But unfortunately I don't have a dog where I could use and test and show. But I still wanted to show you the functions, how this works, how easy this is to use. I'm pretty sure this will work absolutely awesome. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. And I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.